So let's describe a neuron. A neuron is what's responsible for sensory input in a body. That ranges from physical movements, such as motor commands for the muscles, or relaying electrical and chemical signals to feel emotions, such as pain or sadness. The structure of a neuron is composed of many different segments, but we will be starting with the dendrites. The basic shape of a neuron is strange to say the least, looking like a growth of numerous trees coming out of a compact center. The dendrites are those trees. In fact, the Greek word dendron translates directly to tree. And so these dendrites branch out from the center, specifically designed to receive communications from other cells and neurons. Then they take that input and conduct an electrochemical charge straight to the cell body, also known as the soma, which is where we move on to next. The cell body, or soma, is the core of the neuron. The center from where the dendrites branch out carries genetic information, maintaining the overall structure of the neuron, and provides energy. It does this because it contains the nucleus and the organelles of a traditional cell. Joining the cell body is the axon, a complex structure which almost looks like a tail, and this axon joins the soma at a certain junction known as the axon hillock. The axon carries nerve impulses from the cell body, being insulated with a substance named myelin, which is one of the next components of the neuron. The myelin sheath is what encapsulates the nerves in the axon, allowing those electrical impulses to transmit efficiently, using nodes of Ranvier, which generate that fast electrical output through a specific type of conduction known as saltatory conduction. Continuing on with the axon may develop more branches known as axon collaterals, allowing neurons to send information to other neurons. These axon collaterals split off into terminal branches, which are the ends of those collaterals, sending a signal onto those other neurons through a gap known as the synapse. And further on, neurotransmitters found in the synaptic vesicles are used to carry that signal across that gap. So that's basically a neuron.